This is my video on how to complete a long division problem with 3 digits in the dividend and a 1-digit divisor. Okay, so we are going to divide 371 divided by 5. Now, like we've learned before, division is different. So we are going to start in the biggest place value, which is the hundreds place. In this case, I am going to divide 3 divided by 5. Of course, we've learned that we ask ourselves, how many times can we skip count by 5 until we get as close to 3 without going over? Well, in this case, we look and we say, wait a minute, 3 is too small. 5 can't go into 3 at all. I can't skip count by 5 at all to get to 3. So that means it is 0 times. That's the divide. Now I need to multiply. When I multiply the last number I wrote down, which is a 0, times the divisor 5, which equals 0. Remember, anything times 0 equals 0. Now I need to subtract. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Compare. Is 3 less than 5? Sure is. I'm on the right track. And finally, is there anything to bring down? Yes. There's a 7 to bring down. Because I brought a number down, I have to start all over with the number 37. Now I'm going to divide 37 divided by 5. So I'm going to say, how many times can I skip count by 5 and get as close to 37 as possible, but without going over? I'm going to use some tallies over here in the corner. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, I can't go any further. 40 would be too far. How many tallies do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the divide. Now I need to multiply. 7 times 5 equals 35. I will subtract. 37 minus 35 equals 2. I need to compare. Is 2, the last number I wrote down, smaller than 5? It sure is. That means I'm on the right track. And then I need to bring down if there is one. And in this case, there is. There's a 3, or there's a 1 that needs to come down right next to the 2. So, because I brought a number down, that means I need to start all over with my new number, 21. So now I'm going to divide 21 divided by 5. When I do that, I am going to skip count by 5 until I get as close to 21 as possible without going over. I will use my tallies. 5, 10, 15, 20. Ooh, I can't go to 25. That's too much. How many tallies do I have? I have 4. There's the divide step. I need to multiply. The last number I wrote down is 4 times 5 equals 20. Now I subtract. 21 minus 20 equals 1. I'm going to compare. The last number I wrote down is a 1. Is that less than 5? It sure is. And is there another number in the dividend, or what I like to call the doghouse, to bring down? There is not. So that means I am done. In this case, there is a remainder. So I have to bring my remainder up. And my quotient is 74, remainder 1.